Okay, so it's a strong possibility that TikTok may be banned in January. Okay, so what should you do? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 3 things that you can do so that you can be prepared so that you don't skip a beat in your business. Okay, so don't worry about it. So you want to diversify your online presence and your audience. So I'm going to give you 3 ways to do that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to build a multi-platform strategy. So what does that look like? So let's look at Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. So they are both great short-term video content platforms. So what you want to do is you want to create your content on TikTok like you always do, but you also want to share it on those other platforms. Why? Because they have similar algorithms. So that's Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Now, Facebook, you can go to Facebook and you can utilize groups and Facebook and connect with your audience and repurpose your TikTok short-term videos. Okay? See, I got you. Pinterest, you can also use specific ideas that attract an ideal customer. Okay. LinkedIn, same thing. Also, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are connecting with the professionalism over there, the professionals over there, and just repurpose your TikTok content that's relevant to that platform. Okay. And number 2 is you want to repurpose all your TikTok content. So that would go for Instagram stories, Reels, YouTube Shorts. If you're doing blogging, you may want to do some blogging as well, or newsletter content to keep your audience engaged. And the last thing that I highly recommend, and I say it all the time, is you want to build an email list. Okay, you want to utilize TikTok and any other social media platform to build your audience. No one can take your list from you. Remember, these social media platforms, they are loaned to you. They are not yours. So what you always want to do is you want to build your list. Okay, once you build your list, you attracted your perfect customer from these social media platforms and they are on your list. They are yours. No one can take them from you. So you want to do that. Now, if you don't know how to do that and you have not been doing that, you're not sure how to do it, don't worry. I got you. There is a blueprint that I follow that helps you grow your list, helps you to attract your daily paying customer. There's a blueprint that teaches you how to do that. You want to get a hold of that blueprint? Make sure that you comment blueprint and I will send that information right over to you. Remember, you always need some type of framework to help you move in your business. Always have an alternative. Never put your eggs in one basket. So this blueprint is going to give you the alternatives that you need so that you can always be in business no matter what happens on social media. So you will learn how to build a list. You will learn how to attract your perfect customer to you. You will learn how to be an authority on social media. And the main thing is being consistent. So make sure that you comment blueprint and I'll be more than happy to send that blueprint right over to you. So don't worry about the TikTok ban. You got this. We got this. We're going to soar. We're going to improve no matter what. We're going to stay in business no matter what.